Spiff talking too much. Don't you hate when the motherfucker politic on the blunt? I hate when motherfuckers politic on the blunts, wanna fucking have hour-long conversation and we on a motherfucking cipher. You feel what I'm saying? Nigga, swing that. Nigga, send on that blood clot, man. Bomba clot, do you? Now, all of a sudden, you're feeling out the spirit you want. Shut up, blood clot. Hey, listen to me. Yeah, I hate those types of people. Yeah, son. Storm, blessings. Remember to subscribe to my link in the bio. Yes. Yeah. But me not smoke with people no more, man. I don't do that shit then. That was like little pitney thing, And like some dep on the ends thing, When the herbs scarce a rascal, Thing. Lava party on YouTube, okay, that's what's up. Big up Nicky Blocks, See, I'm on a dog at Nicky Blocks are blood clot people. He said Nicky Blocks are take some blood clot daggerings. Afraid for Nicky, Boy, one time I feel like Nicky did a blood clot fall off the stage, man. You see, man, I said, crick her neck. I see that. I see somebody was supporting her. Neck. Yes, son. Nicky did I get some blood clot daggerings. You know what I mean? Yo, that sex, Nicky. Yeah, man, Nicky sexy, Hello. Hello. It's cleanliness. I can't hear you. It's cleanliness. It's cleanliness. I don't know what go on with your Wi-Fi. And things, That's why you smoke alone. Yeah. Smoke alone, And people be wanting to smoke your spliff and I'm just yam pussy and all them things. You ever be at a motherfucking the ends and a man a dig out a girl in the room and all these things and you know man a man just in the living room and all them things there. Man a man a button and all. You ever see somebody just having sex and then come in the area with people and ask to get a one draw for the spliff? Like, get the fuck out of here, nigga. There's no telling what you was doing with your mouth and your hands, and you're not even wash your hand. You're not even wash your hand after sex, and you want blood clot come. Giant smoking cipher and all these things. Get the fuck out of here, man. You better go wash your fucking hands with soap and bleach and all of these things. I say, I'm still not smoking with you, I mean, I don't know what kind of juices I'm not suck up and all these things. Move from there, some man, bomba cloud. Yeah, I hate when people do that shit. Get the fuck out of here, my nigga. People them don't practice good hygiene. Them not practice good hygiene. You know what I mean? Yeah. Then you got motherfuckers that don't like to brush their teeth. Cause you know how to go when you're working a 9 to 5. You see, man, I say sometimes you make a one stop at your bridge and yeah, cause you can burn a one split, cause you don't want smoking at a V. And niggas want come smoke his spliff. Nigga, you didn't even brush your teeth, man. You didn't even brush your teeth, my nigga. Like, what the fuck you that on? I got OCD, man. I can't smoke with people. I don't like people touching my face. I got OCD, Yeah, the man them. The girls too, man, because the girls them be scratching their pussy and all of this shit. Yeah, the girls them be playing with them pum pum up and pan pum pum. And I rub pum pum and I watch TV and all these things. And girl want her pum pum feel warm you know, and then girl want come smoke split with you. So girls and niggas are the same, I mean? Niggas playing with their balls hairs, girls playing with their pussy hairs. You feel what I'm saying? Like, girls got dirty habits too. It's not just the men. People, I got OCD, so I think about all of this shit. What I mean, I think about all of these things. I got OCD. I got OCD. I'm weird. You feel? I'm saying I'm weird like that. I'm weird. I'm weird. Yeah. No interviews. Yeah, I know it's true because when I do it and I have them habit there, you see me, I say, yeah, I know it's true. And that's just being like nice. Some of you people be doing some other things with your hands. Like people, we love Kirby around here. We love Kirby, but I don't think I could bun a split with Kirby. You see me, I say, me not think me can bun a split with Kirby. I'm gonna be honest with you. Kirby, my girl, I love Kirby, but some shit is just nasty. You feel what I'm saying? And I'm gonna be thinking about that. Just like I would never kiss a girl that's sexed alkaline because I'm gonna think her mouth is full of shit. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna think her mouth is full of shit. So if a girl did alkaline, keep that shit to yourself. You feel what I'm saying? If me ever encounter a girl who did alkaline and things get intimate between us, please keep that one there to yourself. You see, man? The only thing me want to know about you is that you're STD free. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm not fucking with no STD pussy. That's why I don't know how Footer Hype could be fucking gonorrhea pussy. You know what I mean? Like, these niggas is nasty out there. Like, these niggas is nasty. You know what I mean? Footer out here is saying Flex have gonorrhea and he must sleep with Flex baby mother and all these things. Like, nigga, you nasty. You feel what I'm saying? Certain shit I'm not doing, man. Yeah, so if you got STD, please let me know. But other than that, we good to go. You feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? Shit, I'm not here to judge you on your past. Yeah, but there you go and build upon the present. So, maybe we can have a future together. You know them way there. And things. I got OCD people. I got OCD. You know how they say that girl, yeah, have blood clots, bipolarism. I got OCD, obsessive compulsion disorder. Yeah, I got obsessive compulsion disorder. You see me? So, you know what I mean? You ain't get tested before you get me. We both getting tested together, you feel me? Yeah, yeah, your test could be falsified. You see me? Your test could be falsified. We take the test together and we listen to the results together. Yeah. Obsessive compulsive disorder, you know. And things and things. Yup, yup. I remember the first time I got tested, you know. First time I got tested, I remember. It was a girl that made me get tested, you know. Yes, yes, yes. It looked like she was a little bit more advanced than me. You see me? You know what I mean? It looked like she did get born one time. I don't know, you know. But I mean, they want the pum pum, you see me? I said, so me get tested, you know. People, me never know I saw them testing thing go on, you know. Me never know I saw them testing thing go on, you know. I thought they just took a needle in your arm and take your blood and you know what I mean? Or you pee in a cup and all of these things and things. Yo, they push like some shit in your motherfucking dick, you know? They push like a needle in your dick. It looked like a fucking needle. It felt like a needle, you know? Yeah, then push the needle up in the hole in your dick. You know where you pee out of? And yeah, that's how they test for like chlamydia and all of them fucking shit there. You say, man, I said, sure know people. The things niggas do for vagina, you know. Me never know I saw the testing thing go on, you know, people. I swear to you. Me think I just pee in a cup and them just choke your blood, you know, and take your blood and all these things. Why? That shit there, that shit there, that shit there. Yes. I think they said that's the only way that they could test for like chlamydia or whatever and those things, you know. I think that's what the doctor told me, is it, man? I said, they said that's the only way they can test for them thing, you know. Mm, yes, yes, yes. Why? Pum pum rules, you know. Pum pum rule, you see, master. Pum pum rule, pum pum rule. Um, um, people, you know, I need to go to the store, you know. For some reason, everything is finishing fast of lately, you know. I'm gonna have to go to the store later, you feel me? Or soon. Soon, soon. I get some couple of things and things. Everything I done fast. Caribbean Queen, what up? What up? Just stay up on the small page, you know. Too much nosy people that follow me. Follow me up. You see, man? Said too much dirty junk, bro. Too much dirty mix up junk up on the next side, you see it? Can't deal with them right now. My belly full, you know. I smoke some high grade and thing, you know what I mean? Even everyone me just reach who catch what. Oh no, we was just talking about STDs, you know. Yeah, I think, you know, I think I said that's the only concern I got when talking to somebody, you know. Yeah, me not care if them fuck 5,000 man. You see what I'm saying? I don't care if a girl fuck 5,000 man. That not nothing to do with me, you know. You see, man, I said that don't have nothing to do with me. You know what I mean? Her past is her past. You feel me? Yeah, as long as a girl is STD free, we good to go, you know. Even if you got a big vagina, you know what I mean? Cause I fucked a lot of vaginas that ain't got no foundation, you know. No walls and none of them things. You see me I say? And just like some of you women fucked some small dick men, you know. And then there with these small dick men, marry them and love them and things and things. See what I'm saying? I'm not judgmental, you see me, you know. Who's Poochie? You talking about share friend Poochie? Poochie Lissus? Yeah, you know, I don't really follow up Poochie Lissus, you know. But big up Share and Poochie and Renee and you know, Nikki and all of them. But I think that's what you're talking about, Poochie Lissus or something. Nah. As a man said, but I think all of them women they have man because they look good. You feel what I'm saying? It look like they carry themselves good. So you know, I would expect them to have a man, you know, and thing. Don't make them draw you out. Ah, these motherfuckers can't draw me out. Hey, nobody on social media can draw me out. You know what I mean? You know, I mean, the only thing them can do is draw me in, you know. Draw me in, some can cut them blood clot throat. I fire one fireball in them head top, you see me? Nothing about drawing, no, them can draw me in, though, you know. You see me? Girls nowadays be hating who you talk to. Girls nowadays be hating the nigga they talk to, you know. You ever been in a relationship with somebody who's running competition with you? Like, B, what you that for? No, you really that for? You know what I mean? B, what a blood clot you really that pan? You see, man. You ever been with somebody that like they running competition with you? Hmm. You see, man. Apple and J better, you know. Jay, you better watch. Apple look like Apple I run competition. You have blood clot. Like Apple I run competition with Jay, you know. Speaking about Apple, I seen her on the bed with the Bible the other day. Why, Mr. Apple and on the morning with the Bible a blood clot. Big up yourself, Apple, you know. But the streets is saying that Jay gone, you see, man. So streets are Jay gone and can't take it no more. A blood clot. Yeah, condoms, you know. You gotta stay with your condoms, you know. But some girls be saying to take off the condoms, you know what I mean? Ladies, why do ladies say take off the condom, you know? Feel what I'm saying? Why do ladies say, yo, just take off the condom? You see, man, why do ladies say that? Like, you know what I mean? Ladies, women are so weird, you know what I mean? Women are so weird, you know? They say not to come in them, but yet still they're pulling you in them when you're coming, you know? You know what I mean? Weird. Women are weird. Yo, don't come in me. And then your body you rumble and boom. You try bust it in her belly button, but girl just lock you in her, you know? Lock foot run your ass flat race and all these things, squeeze up your bars. Everything gone up in our blood clot. Yo, women are weird, you know. That's why I'm not really listen to them too tough, you know. That's why me not really listen. That's why me just do what me I do, you know. See me answer. Please don't take long and come. You know what I mean? Please don't take long and come. Just a quickie. And then when you give the quickie, oh, don't come, don't come, don't come. Like, what the fuck? Yo, son. Why? Oh, y'all never experienced that. Okay. I guess y'all ain't never experienced that, you know. Mm, I guess y'all never experienced that, you see me? Look like my to save that topic here for my YouTube channel, you know. With a broader audience, you see me answer. Fire, what up? What up? Tommy T. Mills. Mm-hmm. All right, people that grab a now kicking on. Grab a now kick. Yes, Simone. Real talk, you know. So woman stay, you know. Not all of them though, not all of them, you know, not all of them, you know. Let me say that. Not all of them, not all of them. But a portion of them, you see me answer? Portion of them, you know. People that grab it and not kicking us, so I forgot to store and get more things, you see. Go to the store and get more things. Make sure to click the link in the bio because we dropping nothing but exclusive this the rest of the month, you know. Yeah, grab it and not kick no more in the man. So. Not all of them, just the ones you meet. I meet all type of girls, you know. All types of girls, different fields, different, how should I say it, parts of the society, you know. Meet a lot of girls, you know. Yeah. Well, we'll talk later, people. Man. I'll go to the store. Feel like drink some wine, you know. Buy some wine, it's massive. Buy some white wine. You always need white wine in the house, you know. Yes. White wine you could drink and cook with at the same time, you feel what I'm saying? Feel like when I'm like some white people today, you feel me? Some white wine and some white people type of shit, you feel what I'm saying? Yeah. So anything will link up later.